like a vinyl catching on a beautiful note, or a bird warming its wings before the sky takes it. Every pause is a stepping stone, every repeat is a heartbeat sending Morse code. Every stutter is a wave pulling back to learn its own stride. My words don't fall in straight lines, they wander like a river through the pines. They circle, they shimmer, they hesitate, like a bird on a branch choosing when to take flight. And when my breath catches, it's not fear, it's the wind shifting. It's nature deciding how the truth should land. I'm a vinyl skipping on the part you're meant to feel twice. My heartbeat hammers out a message too heavy for a single try. The river pulls back, the wave swells high, the moment gathers right before it breaks wide. My stutter is a rhythm, not a wrong turn in my voice. It's the echo of a truth that refuses to rush. If I hit the water twice, it's because the feeling's heavy. If my words take the long way home, it's because they're meant to be steady. Nature pauses too, and so do I. This is how my voice learns to fly. You call it stutter, I call it Morse code. Heartbeat tapping on a river road. You call it broken, I call it the wave pulling back slow before it breaks break. I've walked conversations like rivers, stepping stone to stepping stone, balancing breath and meaning, letting emotion rush beneath my feet. Some days my voice is a storm, inhaling before the thunder speaks. Some days it's a vinyl hum, holding on to the sweetest part of the song. Every skip is mine on purpose now, every repeat a quiet war I've won. My heartbeat pounds out courage in a code no stranger understands. The wave is rising higher, the river roars inside, the moment gathers, and this time I don't hide. My stutter is a rhythm, not a wrong turn in my voice. It's the echo of the truth that refuses to rush. If I hit the water twice, it's because the feeling's heavy. If my words take the long way home, it's because they carry something sacred. Nature pauses too, and so do I. This is how my voice learns to fly. You call it stutter, I call it Morse code. Heartbeat tapping on a river road. You call it broken, I call it the wave pulling back slow before it breaks break. Let them stare when the words jam up. Let them finish my sentences like they're doing me a favor. I used to shrink, now I let the silence speak louder. Let the bird take flight, let the river smash straight past the stones. Let the vine and the loop become the hook. They didn't know the real reason. Let the wave crash with everything it gathered. Let my voice arrive exactly how it was born. My stutter is a rhythm, not a wrong turn in my voice. It's the echo of a truth that refuses to rush. If I hit the water twice, it's because the meaning's sacred. If my words rise slow like dawn, it's because they're meant to be patient. Nature pauses too, and so do I. This is how my voice learns to fly. You call it stutter, I call it Morse code, heartbeat tapping on a river road. You call it broken, I call it the wave. Now watch it break, break. The river flows freely now, the vinyl plays smooth. The bird is already in the sky, in the wave that once pulled back, finally found its